Welcome, my name is Max Hackman, and today we are going to do some basic searching using the PsycArticles database. First thing we want to do is scroll down and select the database link on the right hand side of the page. Once we do that, we'll be taken to an alphabetical listing of all of our databases. Select the P, and then we'll scroll down to PsycArticles. I've already logged in. If you have any troubles logging in, please reach out to us through chat or email and we can help you out with that. As we can see already, PsycArticles is hosted by EBSCOhost, so that if you're familiar with another EBSCOhost database, you'll see that it works pretty much the same way. Let's do a search for nursing today. Once the search results come in, you can see that we have 1,600, just over 1,600 in the total here. If you scroll down, there's more limiters here on the side. Let's go ahead and select peer-reviewed journals. So it's actually what we had. It's not really going to scale it down too much, but once we do find one that we're looking for, if we select the title, it'll take us into the detailed record and give us some more information, such as the authors, the background information, when and where it was published, how many pages this article is, and then also most importantly maybe the abstract, which is the summary for the article, and depending on how long the article is will depend upon how important that summary is for you coming in. It'll really help you save some time on some long articles. There's also some tools over here on the side. You can actually listen to this whole article. You can download it as an MP3 player, or as an MP3 format. There's also a permalink here, so if you want to come back directly to this article, save this link here. This link will always bring you back here. You might have to log in first through the library's website to make sure those cookies are available and it knows you have access and will let you behind the paywall. This link up here at the top of the URL, this is a timed URL, will not last after this browsing session, so just keep that in mind. The citation here is also useful and helpful. Remember, these are machine generated, so double check that the citation was created correctly. And then you also have the ability to save it to your Google Drive where you can email it as well. And then we can come over here to the PDF. We'll select that. One of the neat things about the PDF is you can download it and save it forever. It'll never go away wherever you save it, your desktop, cloud storage device, so that's a nice thing to have. And you can also search at your own leisure then as well, and you don't need to always be online. So if you have any questions, have any issues, please reach out to us, chat, email, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible, and we look forward to hearing to you.